Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel The Yogic Life. Growing up in this modern era is quite different from what it was 20 years ago. Today's parents expose their kids to learn many new things, from learning multiple languages to learning robotics and coding, martial art, gymnastics, etc. There are innumerous classes available online these days, and children can learn many things and unique competitive techniques anytime. In keeping up with the current trends, children do not get time to be themselves and enjoy their childhood. Despite being involved in many activities and owning the latest gadgets, they are easily bored, they lack contentment, feel lonely, and are depressed. In the last few decades, and mainly now post the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a whole lot of change in the way we live. Computer games and online combats have made their way into a child's life, replacing the childhood amusement of sweetie summer and playgrounds. Now, one in every few children aged 6 to 19 years are reported to be one of the wrong side of BMI, either overweight or obese. Thus, to bring a balance to the lives of the children, yoga is the one top solution. The reason behind it is that yoga looks into one's physical well-being and promotes emotional, mental, spiritual connection. Children today are extremely busy with their entire days filled with the school, classes, extracurriculars, homework, competition, etc. They also deal with several distractions, overstimulation, pressure, temptation, and so on daily. Yoga comes as a welcome relief, as it is something that children can practice anywhere, including breathing techniques and physical postures. Because a dedicated and intentional yoga practice can be incredibly valuable for our children. It can help their concentration, emotional, social, physical, and mental well-being, and the way our children learn to act or react in situations, along with helping them in their own self-discovery. Why do kids need yoga as much as we do? Yoga today is recognized all over the world because it does not only look into the physical well-being of a person but also nurture the mental, emotional, and spiritual connection. Yoga helps children to relax, sleep better, relieve stress and anxiety, improve emotional regulation, mood, etc. By practicing yoga, children create focus within themselves, which helps in improved memory and cognitive functioning. As kids are essentially practicing their ability to focus on the task at hand while they are practicing yoga, it automatically makes them better focused and increase their cognitive functioning at classes in schools, which in turn leads to improved academic performance. There are many emotional and social benefits of yoga. Yoga teaches children emotional regulation, discipline, mindfulness, increase their body awareness, determination, perseverance, self-regulation, independence, positivity, coping skill, and reduce impulsivity. Though yoga is typically regarded as an individual activity, there is also a social component to it that helps children share community experience with others, hence improving social relationships. Yoga benefits children at all ages and is especially effective for kids with special needs children. Practicing yoga can concentrate, focus on their activities, and pay better to their tasks. One of the most extensive costs of life is discovering who we are in situations where everything around us is changing so rapidly. Yoga helps unleash the power hidden within. Further, yoga relieves stress and helps the kids to develop a resilient body, mind, and spirit. This is all about the role of yoga in kids' life. So, if you have any doubt or question, you can ask in comment box. Thank you. Namaste.